This is the support section, where you'll find every detail for in-depth understanding. You'll find web version, mobile version, account security, account verification, convert, spot, TC, P2P, copy trade, futures trading, options, accept payments, recurring payments, Web3 wallet, fiat funding, NFT marketplace, earn interest, portfolio management, crypto loans, ICO launchpad, asset management, geographic restrictions, risk disclosure, and contact support. This section offers quick answers to common questions, guides for using features, and troubleshooting steps for technical issues. For further help, users can submit requests to our support team for personalized assistance, ensuring prompt and effective support. Discover a wealth of video tutorials covering every topic you need. Easily access them directly on the relevant pages.